Hi guys, this is Steve. He's been doing all the body work on the car lately. And tell us what you've been doing.
So basically we cut the quarters to install the Widebody kit. This guy goes on here like so. If you go to the other side, we could also check that out. Basically we cut the quarter about a good 2 inches, and then I cleaned it, cut it, and then we sliced it into little sections. I actually folded the metal up, tucked it in, cut it, and then we did a quick weld on the edge. And yeah, that's about it. And then we're gonna install this and the door pieces, and that's it. But if you come to the other side, oh, actually that's terrible because she's a mess. But this is the end product here. And then we just got to do the wheel spacers. And the door piece. Everything is rib nutted in with inserts. Barely any fiberglass, more metal. That's how we like to do things here.
Alright, so if you noticed, we didn't just add a wide body like every other wide bodied Z. So what instead we wanted to do was we removed the rear bumper and just totally chopped off the rear end. There's honestly no particular reason. I think it always looks good. If you see my other cars, they also don't have a rear bumper. So it's just my thing. We're gonna replace the current factory gas tank with a fuel cell. Yeah, just give it a good clean. Thinking of dry ice blasting it to get all the little bits of rust out. We're gonna respray the entire hatch area. As you can see, there's old metal, old filler cracked up here. Get it all nice and clean, get it all proper. And yeah, as Steve mentioned, we're just waiting on the spacers to arrive to have a more perfect flush fitment. I'm debating if I want to go 16-inch Watanabes, but that's for another day.